Hey YouTube, time to change the toilet seat. The hinge is broken on the seat part and it's just falling apart. So it needs to be done. I bought myself a new one here. Jeep wood. Got the flathead screwdriver here so I can pop the back covers open. It might be kind of nasty under there, so just got to get the flathead screwdriver down in there, pop it out. So in the back here you got a couple of black plastic screws. They're Phillips head, but they have a slot in them that's big enough for a flathead, and then it's got a plastic nut on the bottom. So you're gonna have to, you can break it loose up here, but then you're gonna have to go underneath and grab onto that plastic nut with something. You can use your fingers if you want, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, toilet seat's off, and we're ready to put the new one on. So with the new toilet seat that I'm putting in, it's got these all-thread bolts that you need to go ahead and thread up into the new toilet seat. And then do it on both sides, of course. You push these plastic, I don't know what you call these, but you push them up onto the bolt like this, so that this part will go down into the hole on the toilet. Alright, now we're ready to put the toilet seat on. And then this here is it's a type of nut that it's 1/2 inch, and you tighten it up till this part breaks off. And once this part down here breaks off, then it's done. You don't need to tighten it anymore. And it's supposed to keep it from coming loose from the toilet. So let's put it on. Alright, so putting the new toilet seat on, I'm gonna make sure I get my bolts down through the holes here in the back. And then you're going to push down on these, get them lined up so that that plastic part that goes around the bolt goes down into the hole. There we go. Alright. They're both down in there. Now we can put the plastic nut on, 1/2 inch nut on the bottom side. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm just going by feel back here because there's not really any room to get under there and look. So once I got them hand tight, I'll go get the wrench it on till the bottom part of the nut breaks off, and then we'll be done. Alright, got my 1/2 inch socket ratcheting wrench here. I'm gonna try there, it's broke off the nut just like it's supposed to, and then you're done with that side. Alright, that one's broke off. So should be nice and tight. Alright, let's test it. Oh yeah. Looks nice. Looks nice and stiff. It's not wiggling at all. So it's on there really good. Thanks for watching.